Back in 1917, Grandpa had come over from Holland, and that's when they bought Boa Vista. And then since then, the family has branched out. Now there's High Hill. Everything that you can do with apples, we do. Pies, caramel apples, apple donuts, apple juice. The caramel's all handmade from scratch. And the donuts, you got to see these things. Our apple fritters are like, I really do feel like all our products are just a notch or two above anybody else's. Everything's hand-picked, and that's a lot of work. You got to hand-pick each one. You know, Fuji's, Arkansas Blacks, Pink Ladies are popular. Honey Crisp, Golden Delicious, Red Delicious, Macintosh, an old school apple is good. Also, more than just the apples is we have Little Ponies for the kids to ride. We got a trout pond that just got stocked. So there's kind of something for everybody. The whole family can come up here and have a good day. A lot of people will say, I've been coming here, since I was 3 years old. And now that guy is 36 and he's bringing his 3-year-old. So people have been coming here for 40 years. It's just an annual tradition.